So we're at carburetor connection in Kirkland right now. The E36 is on the dyno. Basically just giving it another tune and want the motor to stay healthy so things don't lean out. Because we're making our manual adjustments to the fuel regulator. It's not something you should do without eyes on a computer looking at the air-fuel mixture because you can melt pistons that way. So we brought it back here, just getting it tuned up, and yeah, it's been great. You've been having fun today, Skyler?
I've been having fun.
Good.
I don't actually, I'm sorry, but here, so here's just horsepower. Now you can see before it was here, now we were able to achieve some more linear lines. Let's go back to SAE. So today, this is your net number. So 417, 417.9.
Let's give it a 418.
418 counts to me too, 420. So the LS3s generally we see in a stock form will make around 360 to 380-ish.
Yeah.
Add a cam and some headers, and we'll get to these numbers. Is yours cammed?
No.
This is
just straight headers.
You gotta help. Hey. Good job, man. You got a strong one here. You got a healthy motor.
Flow.
Yeah, this is gonna be a fun car to drive.
Appreciate it.
All right.
I'm glad to hear from a professional that my motor's healthy because I was very concerned about it for a while.
That sounds pretty good to me. Thank you.